In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a sales funnel on Monday.com. We'll start from your Monday.com homepage, where you can create a fresh workspace for tracking leads from first contact all the way to the final outcome. From there, create a new board. When the board setup window appears, click Create Board for this example. Monday.com also gives you the option to type sales funnel into the prompt box and let AI generate a starting structure. But in this walkthrough, we're building it manually so you can fully understand how each part works. Once the board opens, rename it to Sales Funnel. Now let's build the stages of the funnel. Rename the first group to New Leads. This stage is important because it captures every opportunity at the very beginning, giving you one place to collect incoming prospects before any outreach begins. Rename the second group to Contacted. This stage matters because it separates leads you've already reached out to from those that still need action, making follow-up much easier to manage. Next, add a new group. Rename that group to Qualified. This is where you place leads that match your ideal customer profile or have shown genuine buying potential. After that, add another group called Proposal Sent. This stage is useful for tracking prospects who have moved beyond early conversations and are now reviewing your offer. Then add a negotiation stage. This helps you monitor deals that are being discussed, adjusted, or clarified before a final decision is made. After that, add a won stage, which is essential for clearly identifying closed deals and measuring your success. Finally, add a loss stage, which is just as important because it helps you track missed opportunities and learn from them. Once your groups are ready, add the essential columns. Rename the first column to Lead Name so you can identify each prospect quickly. Rename the second column to Company, which helps you connect each lead to the business they represent. Rename the next column to Expected Close Date so you can forecast timing and stay aware of upcoming decisions. Then add a Status column. This gives you a quick visual snapshot of where each deal currently stands. Add a Phone column so contact details are easy to access during outreach. Add a Deal Value column using the currency type, which is important for estimating revenue and prioritizing high-value opportunities. After that, add an Owner column so it's always clear who is responsible for each deal. Finally, add a Notes column to store important conversation details, reminders, and context that can help with future follow-up. Once everything is set up, you can create funnel views, build a sales funnel dashboard, and set up automations to save time and keep your pipeline moving smoothly. That's how you build a sales funnel on Monday.com. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.